All right, guys, we're back out here again, going for another rip. Local rip there. Ripping some sand pit stuff. We got a bunch of trails, some creek crossings today, so I figured I'd film a little bit. This guy's gonna do a huge hill climb here. Oof. Yikes. So it don't look like nothing on video, I know, because we've been here before and it didn't look like anything on the other video, but that's steep. Round two. Oh, he did good that time. He didn't really seem to lose anything that time. No. He was just scared the first time. That's scared.
A little YXZ action there. Oh yeah.
Oh, that was nothing. That was easy. Let's do the other one. That was nothing.
I need new tires, man.
That was nothing.
My tires are dog shit, man.
Yeah.
Like fuck all for you.
I might do the other one.
Oh boy, not bad.
Well, GF's gonna try the big hill now too. Ah, close. Yeah, you're good. Close. It's hard, man. Like, the one thing I noticed when I was coming in, I tried to cut hard so I could keep speed, and you can't because it's so soft. It just digs, right?
Not gonna happen, man.
It was. I thought you had it. It was getting.
Speed it. If you had better tires, you would have.
Yeah, that was close. You made it like 3/4 of the way up. All right, so there's another run up to this hill, which is more straight, so you don't have to come in and cut to get up the hill. But you're also coming up another slight hill. It doesn't look like a hill here, but it is. But JF's gonna try it, see what the run up feels like. And if it feels like good and he can keep speed, he's gonna try doing it again. He made it more than 3/4 of the way up. He was right there, so I feel like he's gonna get it from here. I think he will. Oh yeah, big time. No problem. Oh yeah, like nothing. Way easy. Yeah. Way easier that way. I even pulled another gear.
Cocky move there.
Yeah, I tried to pull third there.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, kind of funny. It still went up in third though. Yeah. Look at the sidekick on 35s, my guy. Oh, that would be a cool picture parked there. Dexter, I think, is going to hit the hole that nobody could get through last year, including him. Let's see. Last year was really bad. Well, it looks just as bad. But I think we were over there, right? I don't think we were on this one. We were out there, and it was like ridiculous.
This looks about what out there looked like.
We'll have to insert last year's video here.
Yeah. Oh! It's bottomless! Well, that's it. That's all she wrote.
Nothing. Yeah, that was pretty good.
I think this goes through everything.
Yeah, that was like nothing. It didn't even like. It like didn't even almost get stuck or anything.
Not even. Here's a monkey bus.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot soupier on that side. Oh!
Uh-oh, she's getting bad now.
That's some shmoo right there. And that is that.
Spaghetti, oh bud. Here we go. Nope. You know what? You could probably drive this center section all the way there.
Yep. I'll just stay on that with the X3. I don't know, like, shit.
I would just go winch to winch cable, man.
Yeah.
And pull. It'll just pull them sideways across.
Yeah.
That's what I would do. Hey, yeah, it would be kind of cool if the winch works. Yeah, I guess we don't even know, eh? Guy's never spooled the thing once since he bought it. Not a bad problem to have though. Nice gogs. All right.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's a winch line and a half.
Yeah, dude. That's actually pretty impressive.
Oh. Oh, the connection. Yo, connect her up, bud. All right.
No.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Hey? Yeah, I know. Hey, just a big block of nothing there. There, that's good. I think it'll be good now.
Yo, that tree there.
Next tree.
That's pulled pretty good. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh.
Very nice, sir. That was good. Just covered. Not bad. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I didn't actually film as much as I wanted to. I didn't get too much stuff, but got a little bit for you, so I figured I'd slap a quick video together anyways. But that's it for now. So if you like this video, like always, please like, share. After all these times, I still can't say it properly. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. That's up to you. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I appreciate you watching, hanging in for this long. And check our other videos. We've got videos of all kinds of stuff. Turbo kit install on this, blah, blah, blah. Racing that X3, all kinds of stuff. And more to come as well. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later. All right, so this guy here just so happened to stumble across I don't know, an old mine shaft that's capped off, but not so capped off. So we're about to do the depth check here. I'll try and see if I can get some audio here. Give her.
Depth check.
Not good.